Today we're going to look at Earth and Space Reference Table, page 8, Generalized Surface Bedrock Geology of New York. Here's our New York State. What we're going to do today is look at latitude and longitude. As we look at the left and right of our map, we're going to see numbers indicating lines of latitude. And what we're going to do is just going to connect them from one side to another. So this is our left side. And this is our right side. First thing we're going to do is we're going to connect this latitudes across 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, and we're going to put the direction for each latitude, which is north. On the top of our map, we have our longitudes, and they're going to be in 70s, and we're going to connect them with a different color across the map. Here's the bottom portion of our longitudes. We're going to connect them up and down, and we're going to label them with west longitude. So we have 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. We have a little 72 here on the top of a Long Island. Of course, we're going to remember that each degree is divided by 60 minutes, and each minute is 60 seconds. So if I want to know half of a degree, I'm going to divide 60 by 2, and I'm going to have 30 minutes. As we see here in the example, the longitude between 73 and 74 is going to be 73 degrees in 30 minutes west. Why are we using west and north on our map? We have to look at the map of the world. If we go north from the equator, up from the equator, we're going to have northern hemisphere. Bottom of from the equator is going to be southern hemisphere. New York State is located North American continent, so it's going to be in northern latitude. For longitude, we're located west of prime meridian, so our map here divided between east and west. New York is located again North America continent, so it is going to have western longitudes. Here's a complete map with north and west latitude and longitude. Now what we're going to do is just look at some towns and cities that we have on this map. Albany is capital of New York. And we have all these cities and towns indicated on this map with a circle as a symbol for city or town. We have some bodies of water here, some rivers and lakes, Finger Lakes, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, some rivers labeled for us. We have a couple mountains here labeled as well with a triangle. And of course, very important part of the map that tells us direction and distance is our compass rose, northeast, southwest. And the scale, miles are on top, kilometers are on the bottom. Compass rose, up close. Miles we have on top for scale from 0 to 50. And at the bottom we have kilometers from 0 to 80. And that is our Generalized Surface Bedrock Geology of New York. Happy studying.